Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this pink look right here. It's kind of more like of a summer slash spring look, but if you guys are interested on how I complete this look, then just keep on watching. For the palette I'm using is the Anastasia Carlibel palette, and I'm taking Steve and just placing that onto the crease. So next I'm taking Chai and I'm just placing that onto the up crease and just playing those two out. And also I'm going to be taking Steve again and just packing that all over the crease again so that way it doesn't fade away. So once you're done cutting your crease, you're going to be using Era, I think that's not pronouncing it right, but you're just going to place that all over the lids. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Beauty Creation Flawless Day, and this has been my favorite foundation ever. I use this like every of my looks. So if you guys see how flawless my skin looks, I used to love the Maybelline Super Stay foundation, but I feel like that one was a little bit too dry for me. So this one is really full coverage, which I like. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Coverage. So I'm going to be taking Steve and just placing that onto the bottom lashes. So I'm taking Boldly, I think that's how you pronounce it, but I'm just placing that onto the inner corners. To contour, I'm using the Makeup Shack Sail Howlet Contour Palette. I am just going to be contouring my nose. I really don't do this often, but today I felt like doing it. And I mean, and like the way how my nose is, like I wouldn't like want to like change it up. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and this has been my favorite highlighter I've ever used, but I'm so sad that it's almost running out, which I wish Amrezy would like bring back this highlighter because I really love it so much. To overlay my lips, I'm using the ColourPop lip pencil in the shade BFF. And then for lipsticks, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade London. So this is the finished look right here. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup tutorial right here. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time on my next video.